2005 Bentley GT. Going to be performing a smoke test with the engine out. Remove the plastic covering. Turn the smoke machine on. As you can see, that hose is leaking right there, and this hose right here. These tubes are made out of plastic on all 2004 and 2005 cars. I am going to remake all these plastic tubes out of steel, come in, go around, and join them together with factory rubber hose and crimp lock clamps that will tighten everything up, and we'll never have this problem again. This is common on all 2004, 2005 model year cars, some early 2006. Next video will show what it looks like with new metal lines.